everyone, welcome to our video. See how we are going to make some of the flowers using the old egg trays. After that we are going to paste these flowers on some of the circular cardboard so that we are going to create a wreath. See how you have to draw this. You can pause the video so that you can have much clearer look and see how beautifully we are pasting it down using some of the glue. You can give it a try and this is definitely very easy. Next, using some of the colorful sheets, we are just trimming down and making the cuttings and making the curls for the hair of this girl. You can use a toothpick for curling as shown here. Then you can paste all the features of her face using some glue. After that, we are going to draw this watermelon. For this, we are taking the green circular colored sheets, yellow, red circular sheets, and then we are pasting them one above the other and we are pasting them on some of the bamboo stick. For this one, we use some of the earbuds and we are spreading the color using the earbuds in the steps as apparent on your screens. Then we are going to make the trunk of the tree using the brush. This one is very cool. Next, we are going to make some of the grass and some of the cork. For this, we are using the colorful sheets and then pasting them as shown on your screens. After that, we are doing the detailing using the black marker. Let's make a train. For this you just need the black sheet of the paper. After that you have to paste the different cuttings of the rectangular shape one above the other, and after that see using the fluid we are completing all the details. First paste down the grass on the sheet of the paper as shown here. After that you have to make the cutting of the bucket and then paste some of the socks that we are placing one above the other. You can see how we are hanging them on the rope. This one is very easy. Now next one we are going to trace down some of the shapes. For this we are using the crayons and see how we are making the face of the sheep from the paper. Let's have a look for this one. This is actually depicting the lips and our teeth, and see how easy this one is. You can use a cotton ball so that you can make these teeth, and these teeth are having some of the cavities that we are depicting using the black sketch pen. Next we are going to make a simple girl. For this we are just drawing her face and then making her curly, or we can say some of the wavy hair from the paper. It's apparent how you can draw. Next we are going to draw some of the castles, and for this we are using the yellow sheet of the paper, then drawing the cutting. After that we have to draw the flag and the other little details that's apparent. You can see and pause the video so that you have much clearer look. Let's try to make another wall hanging. For this you just need colorful sheets of the paper, you need stapler, you need some of the circular cardboard, you need glue, some ribbons, and then follow these steps. You can make the petals more sharp using the toothpick as shown. After that you have to paste all these things on the circular cardboard in the steps shown here. Then you can hang it using the ribbon or any colorful rope. Next we are going to trace down some of the bunnies that are in love with the carrots. For this we are using the sketch pen for drawing. Then we are pasting the air using the papers, and then we are making the carrot heads from the clay. For this one you just need the circular cardboard. After that you have to paste the cuttings in the different shapes, in the shape of the water plants, some crab, some of the fish, and then paste them using the glue. As you can see how beautiful this one looks. Next we are going to create actually a frame look for the dad. For this you have to make some zigzag lines and then using the modeling clay draw some of the flowers and in between write the name dad. Thank you.